Yeah, hello everyone. How you guys doing? It's Sunday again. I believe some of us, weekend for most of us is very boring. Like, there's not, even though we are not making money, weekend is very boring. Like, at least, even if I want to lose money, let Monday come. Like, it's as if our life depends on the market movement. Trust me, it's Monday again, right? And on this channel, especially this episode, this is where I forecast, I predict, I share with you guys my lookout for the week. Yeah. And trust me, last week we killed it. The two pairs that I caught personally, that I call majorly, which is GBP Euro AUD. We killed it. And trust me, guys, more this week. So more this week, guys. So without wasting much of your time, I introduced something to you last week, in which is the Forex Trading Journal by Riani. Please make sure you guys hit me up for it, guys. Make sure you hit me up for it. Now, currently, I'm having, for people that are messaging me, I'm giving them some discount, right? I'm giving them some discount, and you don't want to miss it. You don't want to miss it. So let me move into what we have for today. So today I'll be my major will be on 3 pairs, 3 or 4. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me do 3 or 4 tonight, and we'll be doing some breakdowns together. Why am I saying it to do this? I want to show you guys. Okay, so let's do GBP USD. GBP USD. GBP USD. So yeah. So this is monthly time frame on GBP USD, and based on what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing the river is flowing down, right? But we don't want to deal with this. Let's start with daily time frame. Because of the noise there, right? So let's start here. So one thing I want you guys to pay attention to when you're dealing with currency pair, for those that have taken my class, for those that have seen me teach before, you must have seen this about me. I used to say something. I used to say, currency pair repeat same pattern. Currency pair repeat same pattern. Currency pair repeat same pattern. What do I mean by this? Look at what's happening here. Look at what happened here. What happened here? Yeah, there's a year. I'm coming. What happened here? This box here and this box here. So at a point in time, let me just explain to you guys what I'm saying there. At a point in time, we have a similitude of head and shoulder pattern, but it was taken out. Head and shoulder pattern, but it was taken out. So what am I doing with this information? What I'm going to do with this information is this. Now, seeing this pattern here and seeing this pattern here, I won't fall for whatever gimmicks price is going to give me here. I'm still looking to go long. Last week, we predicted that price is going to short aggressively, then it's going to shoot. It's going to shoot up. Then it did exactly what we said. It did exactly what we said. So what I'm expecting this week now is, okay, let's mark the structure there. So we use structure for our decision. So let's see. So now we have this point here. This was where we had the change of market trend. This is where we had that change of market trend. Yeah. For the sake of people that doesn't know the difference between change of market trend and change of market character, change of market trend is talking about, change of market structure and change of market character. Change of market structure is when market change overall. And change of market character is when like an impulsive move change to a correctional move, or a correctional move change to an impulsive move. That's what they call change of market character. Impulsive and correctional, they are different character in the forex market trend, right? So when market change from impulsive to correctional, that's a change of character. When market change from correctional to impulsive, that is change of market character. But when markets change from an uptrend to a downtrend based on whatever time frame you have, this is now where you need your thorough understanding of market structure, understanding major structure, understanding minor structure, understanding the transition between major and minor. That is what that knowledge is for. Okay. So now, when market change from an uptrend to a downtrend, that is change in market structure. Because market is saying, structurally speaking, I'm going down. But right now, I'm changing that structure to form another what? Another upward trend, which is an upward structure. So that is what that is talking about there. So what we have here is, this is a trend, this is a trend, a downtrend, and this is a change of this trend into an uptrend. So let's see. Before we can predict that this market is going to come down, we must see a change in market structure. Change in market structure. What do I mean by that? So now, after the break of this high, this is where that change happened. Let me mark it out for you guys so that people can understand what I'm saying. So let's say this is change in market structure. Sorry. Let's say this is the change. This is the change in market structure. I don't like labeling stuff like this, but for the sake of people, that's why I'm doing this. I don't like it. This is the change in market structure. Then after this change, we add this push down. We add this push down in which price failed to visit. Price failed to visit this structure again. So after this, price created another high, a higher high, confirming this change in market structure. So now, this high gave rise to this low. This is a storyline that the market is telling us. So you need to understand this storyline before you say you want to take any decision. So this market created this low. This low originated the move that broke this high. So this is pure market structure. This was the high, right? And after this, price created this low. Then price move up, creates this high, this point as a high. This point as a high. Then market creates this low. The market creates the low, this low. Pushing up, the market created this high again, this high again. Though this is supposed to be a micro structure, why am I counting it as a major structure? Number one, notice after this push up that breaks this high, the next retracement we had was here. So this is a valid retracement, right? A valid retracement. Then price what? Price pushed up. Then we had another retracement here, right? We had another retracement here. So now this retracement will give us the higher low. This retracement is the higher low. Then price pushed up. Then we never had any tangible retracement after that. This was the tangible retracement we had, this point here. Then price what? Price pushed down to this point. Then after this point here, price push up, broke the high. The last retracement we had before this point, the origin of this high, the origin of this low is the one that originated that break. This high, this low was the one that originated that break. So let's see, this is it here. So let's mark it now. Beautiful. So it's beautifully done here. Now, this is where this week trade is now having a lot of controversies. Yeah, this week trade is, yeah. For me, this year is a break of market structure. As small as this move is, as small as this move is, this move here, this one you have here, This one here, I'm coming. I want to make this one cater. Beautiful. So as small as this breakout is, it's having the power to change the overall direction of this market trend. Listen again. As small as this little breakout is, it's having the power to change the direction of this overall market movement. So for me, race swing, what will you be waiting for this week? Let me show you what my bias will be this week. For Monday, I will let's dive deep. Let's dive deep. Let's dive deep a bit. Let's dive deep a bit. Let's dive deep a bit. So now, understanding the fact that what happened here has caused katakata already, caused problem already for this old trend, because this is the break. Okay, for those that don't understand, what happened here was there was an actual breakout of the low that broke a high. Remember, we have two laws of market trend. The number one law states price will continue to be in an uptrend so far price keep breaking highs and not low. Once price starts breaking low, is that a manipulation or what? Or price is about to change its trend. Second thing is price will continue to be in a downtrend so far price keeps breaking low and not high. Once price starts breaking high, it stands either for manipulation or price is about to change what? To change its trend. Okay, so now, but what I'm seeing here, this consolidation don't happen when this consolidation you are seeing here, this consolidation only happen as a correctional move. Most of the time, consolidation move don't happen in an impulsive move. So we have this consolidation, though it looks trendy, but it's still consolidating. It's as simple as that. So now let's mark out the structure we currently have here. In which we determine our first 2 days in the market. So for me, I'm currently seeing this. So here is my first rule. If markets break below this point, if markets breaks below this point here, so let me mark it for you. This is the high. Now this is a microstructure. Now this is a low. Then we have this point here as a high. This point here as a high. Then we have this point here as a low. This point here as a low. Sorry. Then I have this point here. I have this point here as a low. Yeah. Coming, let's cater for the touch. Okay, beautiful. I think it's okay this way. Then we have this point as a high. So what can we notice here? Price is giving us the similitude of what? A low, a higher high, higher low, higher high. This should be a higher low. So don't be surprised at the first hour, which might be Monday or Tuesday, may have price from this point here, stop loss around here, yeah, exactly. Then we might have price push to this point. Yes, to this point. So this is it. Remember, this is my opinion. Do your own analysis. This is my opinion. So we might have price push there, but with what happened here, honestly speaking, I'm expecting this price push up, then down. I'm expecting this, but that doesn't mean this won't happen. Why am I saying this might happen? There are a lot of liquidity line here, line here, line here. There's a liquidity pool here, Yeah, liquidity pool. What are liquidity pool? Liquidity pools are areas in the market in which the big banks set as trap for we retail traders to put our stop loss so they can come and take it. So that's the reason why you always find they will always call they'll come and take your SL, then they start going your way. So what they did for you is liquidity pool. They created specific areas for you to put your stop loss, then they come and take it. So we have liquidity pool. So it's likely for price, we have that probability. Price will push up, then come down, then start tanking. I'm anticipating this. So that's number one. That is my bias on GBPUSD. A push up first week, then a push down. That is my bias. Okay. So then the next one is, but trust me, my mind is saying more of sales than buy. More of sales than buy. I don't know why. More of sales than buy. But that buy is okay. Let me say this. Feeling speaking, emotionally speaking, I'm seeing a sell. Technically speaking, I'm seeing a buy, okay? So do your own analysis and, yeah. So I would love to see your own bias. Please send it to me on Instagram. Yeah, send it to me on Instagram. My Instagram link is below this video, is in the description area. Just click on Instagram, yeah, and send me your own bias. I would love to see your own. Okay, so now let's go to Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Let's see what Euro AUD is saying. What's Euro AUD saying? Let's start with daily time frame. Guys, I'm seeing something interesting. Guys, it's a sell. Guys, it's a sell. Last week, we predicted that price, guys, is a sell. I'm telling you, for free. That doesn't mean you sell your property to go and sell this market to. You still use risk management to. But what I'm seeing now, it is a sell. Market should drop. Price should drop. Why am I saying it should drop? Based on this analysis I have here, impulsive move, correctional move, impulsive move, correctional move, impulsive move. This should be a correctional move. But before this correctional move happen, for this week, we should sell. We should sell this week. We should sell this week. Then probably wait for a buy. Probably wait for a buy next week. But this week, what I'm seeing here, with this pattern price is giving here, it's a sell. Let me show you again. Let's dive deep. Let's dive deep. Trust me, let's dive deep. Now, what's happening here? What's happening here? I'm seeing this kind of market formation. This kind of market formation. Coming. This kind of market formation. I'm seeing this. Just a sec. Yeah. Forget about that week. Forget about that week. It's just your righteousness. Okay, yeah. Makes sense now. Makes sense now. Makes sense now. Yes, that's why you need to look closely and do your own analysis. Aha. With what happened here now, with what I'm seeing here, that's the reason why I dropped this green candlestick here. Now I'm seeing very well. With what happened here, guys, for Euro AUD, expect something like this. Expect something like this. Price will come and touch this point again before dropping. Price will surely come and touch that line, this line. Price should surely come and touch it again before dropping. You know what I'm saying? There's a price schematic that happened here that didn't mean it wasn't. I didn't mean it did not happen. I won't anticipate a buy, it's a sell. But with what happened here, with what I'm seeing here, price will still pull up aggressively. We still pull up. Should I say aggressively? Yeah, we still pull up. Yeah, we still pull up. Price will still pull up before dropping. So let's analyze. Let's go in depth. Let's go in depth. Let's go in depth. So race swing, how am I going to catch this move? I'm just showing you my own bias, and so you can work with whatever. So now, okay. Okay. So guys, I want you guys to pay attention to something. Anytime you see a move this way, go and look at it. Go and browse on your phone. Go and do back testing. Go and see this move. Anytime you see a move this way, and price starts doing this, and they clear this low, just know that they are coming for this high. They are coming for this area before dropping. They are coming for that area before dropping. Before dropping, right? So that's the same thing that is happening here. So yeah, price did this, pushed up, they returned the market down to this point, pushed up, then the market broke down to this point. So what I'm expecting, price is coming to this point. So how am I going to catch this move? Is that simple? This is a day trade. Don't stress yourself on, don't stress yourself looking to cash, what's it called? looking to catch a long-term move, you can just go to 15 minutes. What you need is this structure that we have within here. Study the structure that we have within here and take advantage of it. It's as simple as that. So for me, if I'm to take any trade now, we see this impulsive move, correctional, impulsive, correctional. Let me show you guys. Don't stress yourself. See, once you're able to interpret market story, market is always telling you a story. It's just that people are not listening. Correctional, then impulsive, then this is a correctional. So guys, my people, expect this should happen. This buy here, if price maybe mistakenly come around this point again, short, your stop loss should be here. Your stop loss should be around here. Here, and it's a buy. Then you can hold to somewhere around this point, above, a little bit above this point here. Yeah, 1 to 5. Yeah, this is a trade, live trade for you guys. Yeah, so price should move from this point here to around this point here, above these guys here, So that is what I'm seeing. That is what I'm seeing. That's what I'm seeing. So we have trend line confirmation there too. There's a trend line confirmation there too. Beautiful, guys. Guys, this is a buy. Guys, this is a buy. Trend line confirmation, it's a buy. Then price should push to somewhere around here before breaking this trend line, then coming down, okay? So that's that. Trust me, I'll be updating this on my Instagram, and I want you guys to please subscribe to this video, follow, press the like button, and and follow on Instagram too, so that we can both. I drop signals on my Instagram, on my story. I drop signals there. So that's it. So this is my second pair. The second pair I'll be dropping. So it's a buy for now. It's a buy. So expect a sell, a major sell. So let's go to let's do what indices. Let's do NASDAQ. NASDAQ. That's US 100. US 100. Let's do NASDAQ. Let's do NASDAQ. Let me remove drawings. Okay. So let's go to daily time frame. Let's see what that pair is doing. Okay. So yeah, so this is where transition came in. Then we had this impulsive, correctional, then we have this impulsive move. So currently our major concern should be here. So how do we join this buy? If I am you, I just say that, yeah. If I am you now, when you see a market that is buying, buy with it. When you see a market that is selling, sell with it. And understanding the face of that buy, the face of that sell is very, very important. So that is what. So I understand that everything I will be doing on NASDAQ, I should be buying unless I'm seeing a possible short sell, and I call it short sell. So it's possible for us throughout this week we should have a sell. Why am I saying we should have a sell? Number one, let's just study the characteristics of this market. Impulsive, correctional, right? Impulsive, correctional, right? Impulsive. We should expect a correctional soon. It's as simple as that. We should expect a correctional soon. So before we can say want to expect a correctional soon, it simply means we must be able to demystify the mystery that is here. We must be able to demystify the mystery that is here. And let's go to H4. So beautiful. Interesting. So what am I having here? I'm seeing something. I'm seeing something that we need to pay attention to. So what am I seeing here? Number one, this market is about to enter a correctional phase. And you can all use this. This is what I call the ultimate market study. Ultimate market study. It's not just you looking at the trend that, okay, I want to buy, I want to sell. No. Studying what price is doing. Interpreting market language. Okay, now, I want to do this ultimate study on what I have on my screen now. What will I do? Now, let me study my impulsive move, my correctional move. This, I will say this here, from this point to this point, is my impulsive move. And this is a correctional, right? Let's paint, okay, this is a correctional. From this point here, let's say from this point to this point is my impulsive move. And this here is a correctional, right? So This point here, supposed to be my impulsive move, but we add a little correction now in between, which was this. So we must study all this correctional move, studying the characteristics of this market, the correctional move in this market, right? So now, and we have this impulsive move, this impulsive move here. So now we are currently in a correctional. So what we want to do now is we want to change for this correctional. Let's tag them to be, let's make them a little bit, okay, beautiful. So this one, let's repeat the same thing for this one so that we can do a major study on them on lower time frame. The same thing for this one. So what we want to study is the change of that trend character. What happened when when price want to change its trend, its character, yeah, its character. So that is what we want to study here. Okay, so same thing here. Same thing here. Okay, beautiful. So we can't study it here because we have a little or no details here. So let's go to a lower time frame. Let's go to like H1. Let's see if we can have anything on H1. Beautiful. Yeah, we have something on H1. That we can work with. So let's start with this. Is this the first one? Okay. So it said, guys, I'm coming. So as I was saying, so now let's study these retracements that happened. This is the number one retracement that we want to study. So let's study this. Let's give it a ground study. So you guys will even see maybe how I do my own analysis. That's very simple. Keep it simple. Don't stress yourself. So now this retracement gives a structure in which was this a push down, a push up, a push down. The market did this, then did this, then what? Then a break. And that's what led to this move. Okay. So I can see head and shoulder pattern here. I can see break of market character. Then I can see okay. Then I can see this low. Okay, beautiful. So let's go to the next one. Okay. Same thing here. A push down. A push down. A push up. A push down. A push up. A push down. Same head and shoulder pattern. Okay. Okay, we move. Okay, but there's an exception here. Even though it's still the same thing. I don't know if you guys can see it. But it's small. It's small. A push down. I can still see it. A push up. Then we have this. After this, we have this little retracement, and a push up. So head and shoulder pattern. Then I'm seeing a break. There's a break happened. So the current one we have in here, voila, simple as ABC. So what are you expecting here? For price push up, guys. I'm expecting. Let me show you. Let me show you now, straight and direct. Price will still drop. Price will drop a bit. Create this similitude. That's if it's going to buy here from this point now. Then go up. It's as simple as that. This is what they call price study. So if price does not do this, price can do this. Drop, push up, drop, push up. Eventually, price is still going to give this pattern. Why am I saying price is still going to give this pattern? Because based on what price is currently doing, this is the pattern that is leading this trend. Okay? This is the pattern that is leading this trend. So trust me, this is my own bias. This is what I'm saying, right? Do your own analysis before you place the trade. And I'll be glad. I'll be so happy if you share your analysis with me before you share analysis with me on Instagram. Then let's discuss it. Let's start about it and let's talk about it. What you're saying, why you are saying this, and blah, blah, blah. Let's help each other grow, right? So love you, love everyone here. And please make sure you subscribe and you share with people. Share with people. Tell them, ask them of their buyers and share this video link with people. Tell them to, let's create a community of traders. Yeah, trust me, I always reply to chat on my Instagram. So let's talk. Let's chat on this pretty currency pair which I've analyzed, guys. Bye, guys. See you guys on Wednesday. Make sure you stay tuned on Wednesday. I'm going to record the post analysis now, in which is the pre, then it will be the post, or during the analysis, what's currently happening, and is there a change in my bias? Is there something I'm seeing differently? Something like that. So it's going to be dropped on Wednesday, 5 p.m. Nigerian time, GMT plus. So guys, bye for now.